Welcome to another vlog. I just finished filming some TikTok tutorials. If you don't know, I make tutorials on TikTok. Yes, I've sat on the floor, but that's only because the lighting is so good by the windows. So I usually just prefer to sit as close as possible to a window. And also, since it's getting darker in Sweden now, it's November 4th, so it is, you have to really catch the sunny hours, hardly sunny, but okay, like light hours. Yesterday, Wictor went back to Trollhättan, where he lived before, and he got all his Christmas decorations. He really must have brought everything because there are like 4 boxes of Christmas decorations. I'm so excited to decorate our home with Christmas stuff. So just to quickly show you all of Wictor's Christmas stuff. This is so cute. Like, did he get this himself? I have to ask him. Oh my god, what a tiny head. Look. It's so cute. I love Christmas decorations. It's so cozy. I just haven't really... I've moved around so much in my life. I haven't really had a home to decorate that much. So it's so fun that we've got so much stuff now. It's really perfect. Anyway, I'm so excited to show you our bedroom because it's almost finished. We do have some minor touches to do, like we're still missing a little bit of lamps, but this is what the bedroom looks like now. It's such a huge difference. It's kind of crazy. I'm so happy with it. We finally got the curtains up. We did a double. So as you can see here, we got a new bed. I really love the frame. I love the lines going across. And the last thing that we bought very recently is this round pillow. And I love this like teddy material. I would love to have a teddy chair in that corner. I think that would look really nice to have. And it would also match this one really nicely. But I do like the round, adding round things. We also have a mirror there. I'm not sure if we're gonna put that up or not, because I don't know how long we're gonna live here. So we'll see. So what's missing? We are missing a light for, we literally can't turn on the lights in here. I would also love some nightstand lamps as well. So those are the things we're kind of missing, and also the photo frames are obviously empty, and I'm looking for what kind of picture we could put in there. I'm thinking our wedding photos, but we'll see. Something that's new is that I've started wearing bracelets. I've got one on this arm and one on this arm as well. And I've always like hated bracelets. I've never worn them because I just feel like it's so uncomfortable, like they get stuck on things. But I absolutely love having bracelets now. And I don't know why I've been so against bracelets before. So crazy that it's my wedding ring. Wictor and I are celebrating 5 months in like a week or so. This bracelet I got from my older sister, Paulina, when I turned 27 in October. The other one, I also got this one for my birthday from Wictor, and there are these little golden hearts on it. It's very cute as well. So I got bracelets for my birthday, but I love them both so much. Let's do it. Are you ready? Come. So this is all the boxes and stuff. You have a lot of Christmas decorations.
I do. Not that much. It's not that much.
I think it's quite a lot.
Some boxes.
Okay.
I'm not that very organized.
No, but still. Okay, so what's the story behind this?
The majority of the things
It's so
bought in
cute.
the States.
Aha. In the US. Is this from the US? Oh.
So it's this. And we have a cane. It's
No.
supposed to have here, I believe it was.
That's so cute.
Something like that. But it covers his face.
Yeah.
Let me get some maybe in here. Yeah, somewhere at least. So it's supposed to hold this.
Cute.
There we go.
That's cute.
One there. Have another one, I believe also from the US. I can't really recall. Also
You can't really see his face though. He's like really...
He needs a haircut.
Yeah, there he is. Yeah.
I think this is an old one from my, I think our house. Star. This one I think is really nice though.
What's that?
It's
Reindeers.
Oh yeah. Small.
You put candle. Yeah. Aha. Wow.
Like this one.
We can put that in the window.
Very nice.
That's cool.
Yes.
Moving on. This is like a Christmas unboxing.
Another star, very big star.
Well, we have a lot of windows, so
We do.
I think they'll look. Oh, another Santa! I don't know. I like the Santas a lot.
And then a white Santa.
Oh my god. Okay. No, what about this?
Also
It's a
from the US.
nutcracker, but this.
It's another one. It's not attached to it.
Also in need of a haircut. He's somewhere in there.
Somewhere in there.
Cute.
Exactly.
Okay, I think that's my favorite, and this one. Because look at his little head.
And then nutcracker to hang in the Christmas tree.
Oh, oops.
Oh.
Oi, that's a big one. It's one of those. Wait.
Nutcrackers.
Have you used it?
So I think
Do you use it for it? Cracking.
Maybe once. I think my sister. So she has another one. So I think we were like around. I was 10 and she was 9. Packages.
Yeah.
These.
Yeah.
Pine cone.
Yeah.
I think I made myself when I was 8 years old.
No, did you?
And just
What?
sprayed it.
Oh, it fell apart.
It broke it.
No, I didn't. Victor's really upset now. No, it was like this. No. Okay, I'm not gonna touch that anymore.
Yes.
I think we need more Santas. So they are so cute. They remind me of my dolls that I had when I was a kid.
Here we have
So curly.
Yeah, it's just a rug or a cloth under the Christmas tree. You could say. There's a star.
Yeah, I can see that.
A tree.
Oi.
This one's actually not mine. It's my sister's. She got it from my grandma and grandpa on my mother's side.
And where do you have it then?
I don't know. But
Stole it.
so we have some other
Oi.
also.
I like that one.
Then one of these. I don't know what you call them.
Ooh.
But it's very old.
Yeah.
I think it's from.
What is it even in Swedish? Snow globe.
Snowglobe.
Snow globe. Isn't it just snow globe?
It could be a snow globe. I think it's from 2000.
I
2000.
love
I
those.
think it's from 2000. It looks really old. I think the water.
Yeah.
is
Oh my
really
god.
old.
Yeah. This is so old. Has it gone bad? It's
White.
gone off. What's in there?
I don't know.
A little snowman and a house. Cute.
Then we have this.
Oh my god. What's this?
Let it be. Let it be.
What do you mean? You put it together somehow? It's a train! Åh älskling. And another Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, I want to put that on the door straight away. That's so cute! Do you think they're gonna think that we're early? The neighbors.
Who cares? It's the worst
But it's
thing
like
to
the 5th of November, 6th.
do.
That should be okay.
And I think in this one it's only decorations for the tree. But,
Ornaments and stuff.
Let's save that for when we buy the tree, I guess.
Yep. Sounds good. Well, that was fun.
That's fun.
But should we start in the bedroom to decorate a little bit? Okay. I don't know what to choose now. There's so many things. I want the Santas. I want this Santa. It's coming with me.
Let's see what will be nice in the
I really love our bedroom now. I feel like it's really, like, everything's coming together here. Well, this will match and look good. White Santa.
I'm thinking maybe having these the lights in here, right?
Yeah, but that too. Both. Okay, what if he's on my... Yeah, but that's so cute. Look. Yeah. He's taking up the entire night Santa table, but I don't care. He's so cute. Yes. Okay. So cute.
Do you want this?
That looks good.
Take away this lamp.
Yeah, do we have to though? Can't we keep both? Den är inkopplad. No, because I haven't found a bulb yet.
Connected?
Because I wanted to get rid of the wire. Vadå? It's for decoration.
Oh, it's a decoration. Oh my god.
No. More Christmas stuff. So this is the bedroom before Christmas decorations. Du gick in mitt i. So this is the bedroom before all the Christmas decorations. And this is after. What do you think?
Christmas!
Christmas! It's very cozy in here now.
It is.
With all the Santas. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In one room. But I feel like all the decorations just like we used everything really fast. Everything is in here now. We need to buy more. We need to go to Ullared.
Need to go soon.
It's very cozy.
Very cozy.
Yeah. But we have to put this up.
Can't do it right now, can we?
What? Why not?
It's not.
But what? Yeah, I thought you didn't care what the neighbors would think. I want to put it up there. Maybe on this. Maybe on the. But on this. Can you put it? Can you just put it here? Really bouncy.
So you want it hanging like this?
That could work.
No.
Did it break?
No.
Okay. Should I hold or help or something? I'm just standing here.
That would be nice.
Just watching you struggle. There. Nice. It's a bit low, but I still think it looks good. Cute. What's happening with this though? I need to tape that on. Yeah. So we're on our way to buy a new armchair for the bedroom. I saw it on Instagram at Ellos Outlet, so we live quite nearby, so we're on our way there now. Hopefully it's still there, because things get like taken really fast. It's an outlet, so yeah, you have to be quick. So I saw it a couple of hours ago, so hopefully it's still there. I hope so. It's one of those teddy, it has this like teddy texture.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. You liked it too, right?
I did.
I feel like we unboxed all your Christmas stuff and then we decorated the bedroom and then it was like finished. Like everything. I feel like we could have so much more decorations now. I thought those boxes were a lot, but I feel like we need more.
Yeah, well, definitely.
Yeah. And also I was thinking about when Christmas is, and it's like 2 months away.
Yeah, first of Advent is in, was it 3.5 weeks?
That's a bit... But I like being early because then you can enjoy Christmas longer. Because it's no fun once Christmas is over, then it's not fun. Like, it's not the same feeling. Because you don't have it to look forward to. So I'd rather decorate early than leave it late.
Yeah. And it's our first Christmas as well.
That's true. Exactly. Yeah, at the first Advent. First Advent. What date is that? It's a Sunday? It's always Sunday.
December 1st.
Yeah, okay. December 1st, we're gonna go and search for a tree, right? Woohoo! We're here.
Finally.
Yes. Where is it? Ashley. Yay! We got the couch. The armchair. Can I help you with anything? Oh, yes I can. But It's not working.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
Okay, now it worked. Oj då. Is it gonna fit?
We'll see.
It's really big. It fits. It fits perfectly. Yay! Great.
Perfect.
That was a lot easier than I thought. This is where I'm at, chilling in the bed. But look at it, I think it's so nice. Now it's obviously covered in Santas, but and this pillow was previously on the bed, but Wictor put it on here. And it actually, that's also why I wanted it so badly, because it had this similar teddy material that this has. So they match really well. So yeah, I love, I feel like it's really just made everything come together. We used to have an old chair there, but I think this looks so much better, and it's super comfy as well. It is very comfortable. So I am so happy with with this with the chair. Victor's at the gym, so he's probably gonna get back soon. We're gonna make salmon tacos. It's actually so good. It was one of the first dishes he made for me when we lived together on Love is Blind, when we were on the show. It was so good. Other than that, we're gonna watch the last Harry Potter movie. We've had a marathon. I'll probably pop some popcorn and then we're just gonna chill. So yeah, I think I will end the vlog here. I will update you about the Christmas decorations and all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye!